Now, labiaplasty is a bit of a taboo subject, but it really doesn't have to be, and it shouldn't be. So what causes a woman to want or need labiaplasty? Really, it's an excess of the labia minora tissue. Now, this is something that you can be born with and you've just always been that way, or as time progresses, some women have children, hormonal changes can also change the anatomy, where things can swell or grow and it can become problematic over time. This can cause sexual dysfunction, discomfort with exercise, discomfort with clothes fit and finding, and it can be a real burden for women. I think it's not talked about enough. Now, labiaplasty is a procedure that can be done asleep or awake. It is very well tolerated and it is rather quick. What we do is we consult in a very intimate way with you about your goals in terms of desired anatomy, and we compare that to what would be considered normal or ideal anatomy for that area. You feel almost nothing for the entire procedure. The most common question we get about labiaplasty is, what's the recovery like? Of course. The recovery these days, as we have perfected the technique, has become really much easier than you would expect. In the first week or so, of course, there's going to be discomfort. There can be swelling, and we advise that you plan out a couple of days to sort of just watch Netflix and relax on the couch. We don't want you to stay in bed all day, but be up moving around a bit here and there. We illustrate a comfortable garment solution that works really well. After that period, however, most patients come back to their follow-up saying they couldn't believe how easy it actually was and they couldn't be happier that they did it. Now again, with labiaplasty, the results are not something that we can put on social media and really put out to the world. Also, women who have had this surgery are a bit sensitive about showing the area. There are plenty of women, however, who have agreed to share these photos, and you can come to our clinic and we can show them to you at time of consultation, and I think you'll be very impressed. If you are interested in discussing labiaplasty, know that this is a very safe place where your concerns will be treated very delicately. We understand the delicate nature of this concern. Bring a friend with you, bring your husband or a girlfriend. It's okay, we want you to feel comfortable. Our office is full of the nicest people you have ever met, and there is no one who will force you to talk about anything you're uncomfortable with. It is something that we pride ourselves in, both our technical expertise and our experience in this area, as well as the delicate way that we handle this situation with patients who may be talking about something that makes them very uncomfortable. This is a friendly environment, and that's something that we also pride ourselves on. If you have any interest in scheduling a consultation, feel free to give us a call at the office or fill out the form below.